Dr. Richa Shamani, a dental graduate with 2 years of clinical experience. Treating patients during my internship, clinical practice, and especially during COVID times made me realize how much I can contribute to health sector and community. With this intention of serving people and public domain, all I needed was a right path and a degree. And I'm contented that I joined Health Management Research from IIHMR Delhi. Faculty guidance, mentor-mentee meetings, alumni meets, extracurricular activities, conferences held in college, and top-notch leaders coming to the college to help us know what the industry really is helping me grow personally and professionally. The best thing here is the library. It is a pool of knowledge in itself. Every medical student has a connection with the library. Here we have research papers, public health domain books, managerial books, and especially books for medicine and healthcare, which makes a student realize what a base of healthcare actually is. And so I'm a happy IIHMRite and on my way to learn personal and professional skills. Thank you.